Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cynthia. In today's tutorial, I'll be using all these panels to draft a flay, like what you're seeing right now. I want to make this blouse. Okay, I want to make this blouse, the flay hand. Okay, I actually made a tutorial last time on how to cut that crop top. I used the bustier, so I'll be putting the link below so you go and watch it up. Okay, so today I'll be making the flay. Be cutting out the flay. If you look at the design we have here, you discover each of the sleeve have 4 layered flay on it. So we are making this 4 layered flay, and each of them is going to be equal. Then I'll be teaching you how to get them layered this way, but I'm going to be cutting the same thing, the same size. Then I'll teach you how to get the layer. I will just explain it here so you understand how we got the layered flay using all equal panels of the same peplon. Okay, so I'll be making a full flay. Now each of this is folded into two, that I have 2 panels on each of them, giving me 2 flays, 2 flay, 2 flay, 2 flay, and 2 flay, making it 8. So each of the hand has 4, the other hand has 4. So each of the fabric is already folded into 2. So we have a total folded this way. Now you're going to fold this way. We have a total of 16 in it. Okay, because it has 2 flay in it. So let's fold together. You come to the place where the cloth is folded into 2 this way and folded into 1 this way. You just fold this way. You can see what I'm doing. Just fold all of them this way. Okay, this way. Okay, this way. Now we already have a total of 16 in all of them. Okay, let's count together. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 for the first flay, and the remaining is also 8. That's why I said 16, because we have 2 flays in it. All right, right now we are going to be cutting out 2 panels. Then we use this to trace out the other one. Now what I usually do is this: once I fold this way, you get a full flay, but once you fold this way and measure this way, you get a half flay. Okay, so good. I want a full flay, so that's why I'm folding it a triangle shape. Now you're going to check each of the sleeve round sizes we have. So let's go and check it up, and then we continue them. Okay, now to measure. Remember I said each of the panel we have 2 in it, but let's assume it's just 1. 1 is 8. It's folded into 8. That's for 1 sleeve is folded into 8. But because we want 2 for all of them, this one is going to give us a total of 4. These 2 will give us a total of 4. But for each one is folded into 8. So now you're going to divide by 8. So now all the sleeve rounds I have here, I have sleeve round of 19 inches, 12 inches, 11, and 9 inches. So now the 19 inches I divided by 8, it gave me 2.3. Now 2.3 plus 0.5, we have a total of 2.8. That's for this one. Then the length of the flay is 7 inches. Like I said, all the flays are going to be 7 inches. All of them are 7 inches flay, 7 inches. But the round here is going to differ from every other one. Okay, so this one I have 2.0 because it is 12 inches round, sleeve round we have there. Divided by 8, we had when we divided by 8, we had 1.5 plus 0.5, we had 2 inches on this one. Then this one we have 1.75. Then we divided 11 inches with 8, we had 1.3 plus half inch. Then we have 1.8 inches for this one. And then the last one, we had 1.8 inches. We divided the sleeve with 9. That's 9 divided by 8. We had 1.1. So plus 0.5, we have a total of 1.6 inches. So, and like I said, we all what all of them is going to be what 7 what inches. Okay, 7 inches. So I'm just going to cut it out, then I'll show us how to what place each and every one of them. Okay, I've been able to cut out all the flays. Okay, so like I said, each of them has two in it. Okay, each of them has two flay in all of them. So as you can see, this one we have two in it. Okay, two, we have total of two in this one. So you can see why I divided by 8. Each one is folded into 8. Okay, so this is for 2, and then this is the next one. It's also 2 in it. You can see. Okay, that's 4, and then we also have this. It's total of what 2 also. That's what 4 flays in it. Okay, all right. So, and we have the last one, and this is also what 4 flays, sorry, 2 flays. So now all the flays I have here are total of what 8 flays. They're total of 8 what panels. Okay, total of 8. Now I'll be teaching you how to what put what all the layers. Now if you are thinking on what to do to the hemline, you can just weave it. Okay, I think the best way is to just weave. Okay, or you can make it, you can turn it up with a lining, but it's going to be too heavy. I think you just what weave. I'm going to what weave, but because of this tutorial I'll be teaching you how to what place all of this what panels to make it look like what you are seeing right now. Okay, so I'm going to take each of them, that's 4 of it, I'll slit it open, and then we'll start placing it on the what on the sleeve. If you don't know how to make a sleeve, how to make an off-shoulder sleeve, I'll be putting the description below. Just go and watch it on how to make an off-shoulder what sleeve. I already also have another video on how to make a raglan sleeve. Okay, raglan off-shoulder sleeve, and this one is how to make a normal off-shoulder what sleeve. Just go and watch it, and I
I'm
know how
joining the
to do it.
first
Okay,
panel around the hemline of the sleeve. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm trying to join the first panel. So you can see I'm using my pin to join it. I just want to show you how to do it, okay? So I'm just joining the first panel. Just take your time. So I'm through with joining the first panel on the sleeve. And so I am going to be joining the second one. So I'll just go up by like 3 inches, okay? And I'll join the second one. I'll go up like 3 inches or 4 inches, depending on what you are working with. But I'm going up by 3 inches, you see. I just place the second one right there. Okay, I'm trying to sort out the main one. I'm trying to sort out the next one. So I think that's the next one, okay? So I'll just pin it. I'll pin it. I'll pin it. So I'll do the rest like that. So that's the third one. That's the third one. I'm joining the third one, okay? So I'm going to use my pin and join the third one. Like I said, you just give 3 inches gap, okay? Give 3 inches gap. You can also use 4 inches gap, depending on the flay size you are using. That's why I chose to use 7 inches, okay? So I'm giving 3 inches gap, okay? So that's the third one. That's the third one. And so as I'm through with this, I'm going to place the last one. Remember, it's 4 step, okay? I'll be placing the last one. Now this last one is very much okay, as in the.
So at the end of this one, I just try to pleat it to make it look nicer here. Just try to pleat it, but this place is going to remain that way. Okay, we're leaving here this way, so I just try to pleat this place so that it looks fuller. So I'll just pin, and remember to put a turn up around this place, and or you use your what you use a strip, a bias strip what to cover that place up. Okay, I'm just showing you how to put it layered by what's layered. Okay, so I think we are almost through with this. We are almost through with it. Now to make this place, okay, there's no how you can sew this way on this place. So what you do, you pin it this way, and then you turn it over towards the other way. Okay, so now this is it. You can see this is the finished look. I'm going to put it on the mannequin so you get a very clear view of what I am talking about. So this is the finished look of our work. So you can see the first layer, the second one, the third one, and the fourth one. Isn't she beautiful? Isn't she beautiful? You see, she is very, very what? Pretty. Okay, so we've come to the end of this tutorial. If this video was very, very helpful, please give it a thumbs up so you can always get notified. Give the thumbs up and also subscribe so you always get notified whenever we upload our video. All right, I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye for now.